everybody, it's Chip with Golf Simulator Site, and we are doing our second video. On the last video we did, we went over all the different golf screen material and all the different material we use for the panels. Today we're going to go over some of the screen designs and the different hems and the different ways that you can actually hang a screen. So there's three basic ways you can hang a screen. You can hang it with a sleeve on the top, sleeve on the bottom, hang it from the ceiling, let it drape down. You can do a four-sided frame, like a picture frame, and install it on all four sides. Or the last way is we have a notched screen that actually wraps around a special frame that we make, and I'll go over that in a second. So the basic way that people can buy a screen is just raw material, right? So basically you buy the raw material, comes in 120-inch widths. We cut it to any length that you want, we ship it to you. Most people use like a tarp clip, this little thing here. They attach it to the ends, they hang it with a ball bungee or a tie or whatever, and they're good to go. The downside of this is that the material will start to fray over time, so just keep that in mind if you want to go the economical route of just using raw material. So that's the basic way. The next thing we have is a sleeve system. You can see it right here. Now how the sleeve system works is there's sleeves on all four sides and they stop about 3 inches from the end. And then what we do is we insert a PVC pipe into the sleeve. And then there's a little slit here that we put in an adjustable strap, and then the adjustable strap will attach to the frame like this. So the beauty of this system is that all the tension is put on the PVC that's in the sleeve, and it also creates a nice smooth border around the screen. So you're not pulling on a grommet, which can come out over time. Plus with the straps, you can adjust the tension. It's not like a ball bungee that's elastic and you can't adjust the tension. So that's kind of the four sleeve system. We use that in our four-sided cages. And then the other way we use the sleeve system is with our hanging. So the hanging, if you can imagine, we have these little end caps that we provide. And then basically this is an eyelet that would attach to a chain to the ceiling on a J-hook. And basically you would run that same sleeve, same pipe through the sleeve without these straps here. Take these straps out. And then basically this would hang from the ceiling. And then on the sides, it's usually just hemmed. We can sew in straps on the sides. And then on the bottom, we basically put another sleeve just like this that you can put a weighted pipe on the bottom. So that's kind of the two ways that you can do the hanging version or the four-sided version. And here's another example. This is a screen we do for the Sport Tech. I'm sorry, not Sport Tech, the MeTech or the Sports screen. So what we do is we put a black border on the sides. So we eliminate the hem so it's a lot easier to roll up, and then we sew Velcro in on the top to attach to the roller, and then we've also provided a sticky piece of Velcro to attach to the roller. And then on the bottom, we basically put in a sleeve, just like on our hanging screens, that you can slide a weighted pipe into to provide some more tension on the screen. So that's another option. The other option is, of course, the grommet screen, the old standby grommet screen. And we make a grommet screen. And the nice thing is we can do this up to 120-inch width because we're not sewing hems in. We sew a black border, machine-installed grommets, and then, of course, you can use ball bungees, or you can use some nylon ties like this. These are a lot nicer because these are actually adjustable, and then you can get them where you can actually reuse them. So when you snap them together, you can take them apart if you ever want to take the simulator down. And then in addition, we can take Velcro, sew the Velcro into the edges like that, and then we have special pads that we can put here that'll cover the frame and cover the grommet and create a nice picture frame pad around the entire screen. So that's another option. And then the other option we have with the pads is we have a smaller pad, this little baby right here, and this works with our sleeve system. So basically it'll kind of sit like this with a strap wrapping around it, and it'll kind of hold it in place against the frame. So That's the Grommet screen, and we can do this in black or white, so you have a choice. We toss this over there, and then this is our notch version. The nice thing about this is that the frame and the screen are the same size. So what that means is if we do a 120 by 96 frame, the projected image, this image for the projection, will be 120 by 96. So it works the exact same way as the sleeve system. The pipe will slide into here. You put the strap in, and then this part actually wraps around the frame and attaches to the back part of the frame. So you get a nice image where the seams and the grommets and the sleeves are not exposed. You'll just see the projected image. So that's another option. And we do custom screens for pretty much every golf simulator. We do it for Net Return. Like I said, we do it for Sports Screen, MeTech, True Golf, Full Swing. We've had guys send us pictures of simulators from 15 years ago where it's got Velcro and panels and pads sewn into it, and we're able to duplicate that. So we have the ability to do those smaller custom type screens. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, check out our website, golfsimulatorsite.com, and stay tuned for the next video.